Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn wpscan web application tool in Linux. wpscan is a black box WordPress vulnerability scanner that can be used to scan remote WordPress installations to find security issues. Let's open up terminal and type wpscan -h WordPress vulnerability scanner. Some values are setable in a config file. See the example.conf.json update to the database to the latest version -URL the WordPress URL or domain to scan forces wpscan to not check if the remote site is running WordPress enumerate does enumeration, and the option usernames from ID 1 to 10, 10 to 20, usernames from ID 10 to 20. You must write square character for characters and so on. Here you can see that some of the basic example. Let's scan a target WordPress URL and enumerate any plugins that are installed. Type wpscan -URL hackingtool.com. Here you can see that we found 3 plugins: Viewer, Builder, Lite version, Limit, Login, Attempts, and Ninja Forms. So that's it in this video on wpscan, which is web application tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.